Good morning, everybody. I know I've been gone for like 2 weeks, and we recently got like a really bad snowstorm, and this whole place was covered. It's finally melted. The sun's been out. It's feeling great out here, but I am going to go feed Cherokee her bottle. We'll see how she's doing this morning. We kept her in here during really bad weather, but she looks like she's doing good. This is where she stays. It needs to be cleaned out, but we're gonna go put her in her pen so she can soak up some sun. And it is a muddy mess out here. I'm sorry for all the sniffling. I been feeling a little under the weather lately, but she's doing good though, aren't you? Yeah. She fell yesterday. I couldn't help but laugh because it was like she was ice skating. So, but she's okay. I made sure she was okay. But there's the donks, and then the goats are over there. And yeah, I'm going to feed her, because someone's a little cranky today, aren't they? And I will be back with you guys. I know, you're on your bottle. Are you a little cranky this morning? Are you a little cranky this morning? Someone's a little cranky this morning. Everybody's a little cranky this morning. Everybody's yelling. Besides the donks. We hear you over there. She's cranky. Alright, I am going to give hay to the other guys now. I don't know, I also have to let the chickens out. I'm a little rusty, I haven't done this for 2 weeks. But I will be back with you. Alright, everybody has hay. Everybody's happy besides her. She's still cranky. She will always be cranky.